Hey folks, your buddy Adam here. And as many people have pointed out, we're quickly becoming the largest influencer when it comes to e-bikes in America. Between 911 Studios, Watson's Reviews, Shopping with Amy, and our e-bike channel, E-Bike America, we have the market covered, so we know what we're talking about. Now, this Mooncool bike is one that you're going to want to check out because it has a lot of advantages over the competition, and it's at a price point that won't break the bank. Now, as somebody who loves e-biking, sometimes I want to e-bike without breaking a sweat. Sometimes I want something that is stable, so I don't have to worry about balance, and has everything I need to get my groceries, go to the golf course, or run a little errand to my friend's house. That's where this comes in. With a very comfortable design, a comfortable seat, the step-through design that's easy for anyone, even if you've got some knee problems or hip problems, this is a great e-bike for you. Geared with Mooncool's latest design, and on top of that, this has an impressive caliper disc brake system that I'm going to tell you all about. So with that being said, let's go ahead, test it out, check it out, and kick it off right about now. Now, to give you a full tour of the bike, we're going to start here with these impressive tires that are just wide enough to really give you good traction. A knobby tire that can go on grass and outdoors, but also give you the traction you need and stability for the streets. You can see their large caliper brakes are going to help you stop immediately, and there's a lock mechanism in case you stop on a hill. You don't have to worry about you sliding down or the bike sliding away. Utmost of safety. Now, they've included a very large basket for the front, and I love the fact that you've got the LED light that's designed with efficiency in mind and your safety in low light situations. In addition, they've added a reflector to make no risks with your health. On top of that, they've got the mud deflector and the fork suspension that is going to allow you to have a smooth ride. And I want you to just take a close-up look on the surface here. This is a gloss paint. It reminds me of a 50s Chevy that is not going to rust. Durable and thick metal on there. They didn't skimp with a plastic design. They've really done a very good design. Now, I love this black finish on here. Again, anti-corrosion, rust-resistant design. And yeah, they've just done everything that you can imagine. Now, regarding the step-through design, this is very nice because you don't have to lift your legs too high to be able to ride it. And no spiky feet right here that will hit you in the back of the calf if your foot slips off. Again, everything about your safety is built in. Powerful chain. You've got a locking brake structure that makes it ultra safe. Spot for your water bottle or maybe your perfect beverage. But on top of that, again, that cool look and the easy step-through design is perfect for me. Skipping ahead a little bit, I want to show you how nice and wide that seat is. It is adjustable for your preferred height. You're going to want to adjust the height about to where your hip is, but I love the fact that this just locks into place, and it's good for the tall guys or the short gals, and you can just lock it right in. You've got the locking mechanism to make sure nobody steals that impressive battery, because that's a preferred one as well. They've got a key locking system seen right there, so that's nice. And you can see they've designed it to fold for perfect storage in your garage. All you have to do is release right here, and you're going to be able to fold this in half and store it up efficiently. How nice is that? Of course, it's the little things that make the difference on the TK1. We've got the chain guard here to make sure your clothing, your dress, your skirt, your pants aren't getting caught in that. They've just done, again, everything that you need for a great design. And that tri-wheelbase mud deflectors. You've got lights built into the back for safety, and that big basket with the mesh net to make sure nothing blows away. Just a great design. I'm very happy with this device for sure. Assembly was also very easy. It came in a big box, pretty much just fold it, adjust the handlebars, you're good to go. Probably 15 minutes. So if you got 15 minutes, you got a new bike. Despite it being an electric bike, it's very easy to understand. First, we have your standard brakes, front and rear, that do lock very easily. You've got the modes on the motor, which is easy to adjust. That rear motor, just like that. You got the power on and off, tell you your miles per hour, everything you need tracked right there. In addition, on the other side, turn signals. Can you believe that? Braking, locking brake, and a horn for your safety. And folks, this thing just looks cool with its 48 volt, 15 amp lithium battery, the 500 watt high powered motor right there in the back, peak of 1,000 watts, the rear differential mechanism making it easy to use. It comes 95% pre-assembled, and you're getting the free front basket and rear basket. And I really do love that parking brake system. And just to show you, we have the brake locked, and at a push of a button, we can release that brake so it will slide accordingly. But it's ultra safe and not going anywhere when you lock both the front and rear brakes. So folks, this is a great opportunity to see me riding it. We're going to put some overlays of various riding footage right here. But if you're looking for a tremendous bike that comes easy to set up, I love that parking brake. It folds here as well, and you can adjust the handlebar height to make it perfect for you. This will fold up, put away, perform off-road, out and about, in the city, in the country, on your farm, on your golf course, or in your walking paths. This is a great bike. I love the fact that they've got an energy efficient LED. They've got a big battery. And yeah, this is a perfect bike for riders from 155 centimeters to 195 centimeters. It's ultimate in performance. I almost forgot to tell you, it does come with all the charging information, the cords and power cables that you need to charge it up easily in a standard 110, nothing difficult, just like charging your phone. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Folks, if you're looking for a bike that is safe, efficient, affordable, perfect for older Americans or people that just want safety and security, this is tremendous. I love the paint, I love the look, I love the feel. So go pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam. Adios, amigos.